To you, it was just a joke. An innocent comment that came out wrong. Or you lost your temper temporarily. You really didn't mean it. After all, it was just between you and your employees. And they're like family, right? The next thing you know, an employee is suing you for discrimination or sexual harassment. Or, consider this. Times get tough and you have to make some tough decisions. No one would sue for wrongful termination or retaliation, would they? Could they? Disputes that used to end with a conversation and a handshake are now ending in a courtroom. It's why the Hartford's business owner's policy not only comes with employment practices liability insurance automatically, it includes coverages that provide most employers with the kind of protection they need today. Coverages like third-party protection. It covers claims by certain non-employees. So if a vendor, service provider, or customer sues for discrimination or harassment, you're protected. On most policies, we also include wage and hour defense coverage, which is coverage for your defense costs if you're sued for failing to pay overtime because you mistakenly misclassified a job or for certain other wage-related lawsuits. Some insurance policies allow an insurance company to invoke a hammer clause, forcing you to accept a settlement or pay the difference if the claim settles for more. Our EPL coverage has no hammer clause, giving you more freedom to defend yourself with less fear of financial consequences. But the fact is that employment-related lawsuits can be costly, very costly, win or lose. And while we automatically include more EPL protection than some carriers, it may not be enough to handle today's lawsuits. So we've made it economical to increase your EPL coverage limits. At the Hartford, increasing limits also comes with access to extra services, like being able to have lawyers review your employment practices and procedures, and having access to a website filled with training tips to help you avoid lawsuits. These days, employees suing employers is just a fact of being in business. It's why every business owner should learn more about the Hartford's employment practices liability coverage. Contact me to see how I can help your small business succeed.